Hello Internet, I'm Guy. I recently completed construction of this Stirling engine made by PM Research, and look at that. This is the first time I turned it over and it works perfectly. I'm very pleased. I'll put a link below to the actual source for the steam engine kit, and also a link above or on the screen here somewhere for the entire playlist of 7 episodes of my video series about how I built it and some of the decisions I made to improve it slightly. I made a walnut base for it and made brass supports for the flywheel and aluminum supports for the cylinders.